deputy governors, to Her Excellency And before you take your leave, we will now take a proper photograph without the gifts. Thank you very much. Lunch is also available, and the gift from Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
As mothers and politicians, we all agree that the future of our country is dependent on the investment we make in our children. To ensure that future generations of Nigerians are healthy, educated, and productive, the health and nutrition of under fives, the quality of compulsory basic education for our children, and skills acquisition and empowerment for our youth must be a priority. As representatives of our respective states and deputy governors, we pledge our support for the extraordinary initiatives Your Excellency will spearhead. Together, we commit to working with you to create an enabling environment where women can thrive and excel in all spheres of life.